Hi, Doyle Bloss with HydroMaster here to talk with you today about upholstery cleaning. Now, you wouldn't clean a nice sofa or upholstered chair with your carpet cleaning scrub wand, would you? So why are so many carpet cleaners using their favorite carpet pre-sprays to clean upholstery when we know that the fabric itself is quite different, but even more importantly, that the soils that upholstery is exposed to are completely different? For instance, upholstered fabrics are exposed to a much higher level of body oils, hair treatments, and hair sprays. If the food that's likely to land on them is likely to be in higher quantity, because people often eat sitting on their sofas or chairs. So you also have to deal with the fact that there's a higher density of dog hair or human hair, and that creates even more things that you need to deal with. So your favorite carpet pre-spray is really designed to go after cooking oils or motor oils, regular cleaning, every day. Upholstery needs a formula that's been formulated specifically for those types of soiling that you see on upholstery. HydroMaster has a complete line of cleaning solutions that are designed to safely and effectively clean upholstery and go after those soils that are specific to upholstery that we were talking about. Perhaps the most popular is Fabric Master HD. Fabric Master HD is for synthetic upholstery. No matter how bad the soiling condition is, Fabric Master HD will generally break down and dissolve and emulsify even a large buildup of body oils and other types of soiling that are common to upholstery. If you're cleaning synthetic upholstery fabrics, we recommend Fabric Master HD. If you're cleaning cotton or other natural fabrics or cotton blends, then we recommend going with Fabric Master Fine Fabric. Fabric Master Fine Fabric is specifically formulated to have a pH and a cleaning solution that's safe to use on cotton and other types of natural fabric upholsteries. Now, Steve Polis would kill me if I didn't talk to you about his favorite upholstery pre-sprotter, Natural Orange. Natural Orange is a citrus solvent upholstery pre-sprotter that's designed to really go after those heavy, concentrated areas of soil that you might encounter either on natural or synthetic fabrics. A lot of people like to use Wool Master if they encounter wool upholstered fabrics. Now, those are pretty rare unless you're in the UK or Australia, but the fact is that there is wool upholstery out there, and Wool Master, which was specifically blended to deal with wool fibers, is a perfect upholstery cleaner if you do encounter wool upholstery. Then finally, what do you run through your machine to rinse it out? Well, to rinse out after you've applied your pre-spray. We recommend Rinse Out. Rinse Out is an acid rinsing solution, a neutralizing solution that does not contain detergents, like our clear water rinse. We recommend acid neutralizing rinses for upholstery and for rugs and fine fabrics that does not contain surfactants, which might lead to a little bit of resoiling. If you have any questions about cleaning upholstery, be sure to visit our website, www.hydromaster.com, and check out the cleaning guides where you'll find step-by-step directions on how to clean upholstery. Or even better, download our smart app on your phone or tablet and you'll have it right there at the job with you. It'll tell you exactly how to use all of these cleaning solutions. Thanks for joining us. Look forward to seeing you next time.